All right, here we are on the 27th of August, 2016, and we've got a very close conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn. I'm sorry, Jupiter and Venus. Venus is the upper, brighter one. Jupiter is the lower one that shows a disk, and if you look closely, a couple of moons. There's a star down between Jupiter and the solar telescope there on the left. That, I believe, is Beta Virginis, the second brightest star in the constellation Virgo. And I've been out here a few nights, both finding the right spot and also practicing for various optical configurations. This appears to be a pretty good one with shooting through a Tech 140, a 5.5-inch refractor, with the Canon 6D taking the video here tonight. I'm thinking that if you look closely at Jupiter, you will see some moons. Let me pull out my little smartphone app here. I can tell you which one is which as it sets. Callisto is the farthest one away. It's almost closer to Venus than to Jupiter. Europa is the outermost of three. Ganymede is the one in the center. Io is closest to the disk of Jupiter, if you get a close-up view of that. So that's the moons of Jupiter right now. I'm used to shooting the sun setting behind the silhouette of Kitt Peak. This is sort of a different animal. This seems to happen at a slower speed than the sun sets behind them. I guess that's brought on by a couple things. One, I'm only about 12 miles east of the observatory on the Sasabe Road, south of 3 Points, Arizona, near milepost 37. When I'm shooting the sunset, I'm usually about 60 miles away up on the Ketelsen Mountains. A lot of traffic on this road, mostly Border Patrol. We're about 37 miles off the Mexican border, so the Border Patrol keeps this road a-hopping. So anyway, it looks like Jupiter's headed towards, I believe, to the right, just to the right of that communications antenna, is the Spacewatch 1.8 meter telescope, a 72-inch diameter telescope that's used to look for nearby comets and asteroids that might collide with the Earth someday. So just about to touch that dome. That's the Spacewatch 1.8 meter, and there goes Jupiter. Way cool. Saturn is left to go here. Visually, it looks like a little diamond on top of the flat top mountain. Again, 12 miles away. The magnification of this telescope makes it seem like we're right on top of it. That 12 miles away, it's a good 2 or 3 degrees across. And it looks like Venus is going to go behind the Spacewatch telescope as well. Maybe a little bit further to the south. And there goes Venus. Well, there she goes. Jupiter-Venus occultation, August of 2016, is over. Tomorrow night they'll be further apart as Jupiter continues its dive behind the sun, and Venus will continue on its nice appearance this fall and winter in the evening sky. So there we have it. Hope you enjoyed it.